Here we are with Paul.
Yo, alright, we've got some Spyder high quality tail lights. So these were $154 Canadian, which translates to about $84 US. Just joking, it's not true, but you know. So these replace my 2004 Dodge Ram 2500 taillights, hopefully. We obviously haven't put them on yet. This is why we are opening the box. And we have the right. So let's open it. So I have a similar style on the front. I went with a halo style looking ones. Different company, different brand. But they look fairly similar, and actually they look pretty dope. I'm pretty happy with that.
I like it.
I like it. So what do you think? Should we put them on?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, here.
Thank you. Cool.
Oh, you don't want to know what the crazy thing is, though?
What?
It still uses those.
Socket.
We can't put them on. They use the factory sockets. So this fixed nothing.
Whoops.
So I need to order a socket now for the back.
Damn, that sucks.
We're still gonna put them on though. Although maybe we shouldn't
No,
because it
let's
doesn't
wait.
seal. For freak's sake. Okay, I'll see if I can find one.
Bye.